Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the smallest projectors on the market with a built-in OS, the Sentrym L1 3D Mini LED projector. I want to thank Sentrym for sending over this projector for my honest review. While this projector was sent to me for my review, opinions expressed in this video are strictly my own. If you're looking for a projector that's small enough to fit in a small space, or a projector that you could take on a trip, the Sentrym L1's extremely compact size and built-in battery makes it easy just to pick it up and go. Let's jump into the unboxing and check out the features. So in the box we have the user manual, an AC adapter and the micro USB cable, a mini tripod, a remote, a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, and the L1 mini projector. Then for some of the main features, we have a native resolution of 854 by 480, making it standard definition, but it does support 4K sources, which are then downscaled. Then we have Android 9 built right into the projector, so you could take advantage of apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. And if that isn't enough, you also have screen mirroring, 3D movie playback, Bluetooth 5.0 so you can hook up a soundbar or connect to a wireless headset, and dual band Wi-Fi. The Sentrym is the smallest projector I've taken a look at on the channel, measuring in at 3.2 inches wide, 3.2 inches in length, and 1.2 inches in height. This palm-sized projector packs in quite a bit. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, 60 ANSI lumens, a contrast ratio of 500:1, a 40-degree keystone correction, 20,000 hours of lamp life, a throw ratio of 1.35:1, a projection size of 40 inches to 120 inches, and it has a 3000 mAh battery to take the projector on the go. Taking a look around the projector, on the side we have a power button, an on and off switch which completely turns off the projector. We have the power input, a reset button, mini HDMI in if you want to connect a laptop or gaming console, a USB port to plug in an external drive, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Then on the other side we have an SD card slot which supports up to 32 gigs, a manual focus ring. Over on the top we have our LED status indicator, as well as our touch controls, which you can use as a remote should you not have the remote handy. Then on the bottom we have our 1/4 inch thread, which we can use to tripod mount the projector. When the projector boots up, it goes directly into the Android launcher. From this screen, you'll be able to launch apps, as well as access the Google Play Store to download additional supported apps. Besides the apps that you can download from the Play Store, you can also use a file browser to play media from external storage like SD cards and USB drives. This comes in particularly handy when you don't have an internet connection to stream. Under settings, we have the Wi-Fi setup to get the projector connected to the internet. Under Bluetooth connections, you can hook your projector up to a speaker or to a headset. Under projection settings, you can adjust the lamp brightness, keystone, zoom settings, and your projector placement. And under other settings, you'll be able to find your battery percentage along with other typical Android settings. So how does the Sentrym L1 perform? First, let's begin with the fan in the speaker. The projector is very quiet and the fan is barely noticeable. The built-in speaker is obviously very small, so it doesn't have the loudest output. If you're using it in a small room, you should be able to hear it fine, but if you're outdoors or in a noisier room, it could be hard to hear. Battery life. While using the projector with local media and the volume and brightness set to 100%, I was able to get an hour and 27 minutes of continuous playback. And with the volume set to 100 and the brightness set to the lowest setting, I was able to get an hour and 43 minutes of continuous playback. Once it's ready to be charged up again, you're looking at a charge time of 4 hours to get it from 0 to 100% battery level. Screen mirroring is simple with both Android and iOS, using AirPlay and Miracast. But I wouldn't say it's my preferred way to watch content, as at times I found the playback jittery. With a max output of 60 ANSI lumens and a contrast ratio of 500:1, the best viewing experience will be when the light sources are kept to a minimum. In terms of image quality, getting the projector in focus can be tough at times if you don't have a steady hand, as the manual focus wheel is quite sensitive to touch. And since it's so small, any little movement could cause you to lose focus. But once you got it set, you should be pleased with the output. Now let's check out some video samples. I have the projector set up 6.5 feet from the screen, giving me a total screen size of 64 inches. And I have the lamp set to full brightness. If you're interested in purchasing or learning more about the Sentrym L1 projector, I'll be dropping all the product links in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.